Okay, I gotta say this. It wasn't actually a bot fly. You're gonna hear me mention that a whole lot in the beginning of the video, but it's not a bot fly, so just throwing that out there. Enjoy the video. Okay, in today's video, we're taking care of a certain issue. This little cat has got a wool worm or a wolf or a bot fly, whatever you're gonna call it. And that's kind of what it looks like. And it goes all the way down there. You can feel this big area all right in here where it's slaying up in there. And I'm sitting there squeezing it and everything. And this cat, I mean, has not stopped purring, just enjoying the loving and everything. So we're gonna try to address that and get it out of there today. It's better to get them out of there a little bit sooner, but I guess this thing grew overnight. I'm usually petting the back of it. I usually ain't getting it by the throat, and today I was like, holy crap. So yeah, you're fixed to go under some surgery. Now to do this, what we're gonna do is first of all, we're gonna shave it, just keep some hair away from the area, keep hair from getting in there. So a little bit of shaving, got a bowl of water and some Dawn. I mean, if it's good enough to go on a baby duck's butt in an oil covered ocean, I think it's good enough for a yard cat. So we're going to do that first, and after it's cleaned up and everything, I got this scalpel here. Now kitty, you're gonna mess up everything. I picked this design because it's got a shorter blade compared to some of the rest of them, and in case there's a slip, it ain't going to go as deep potentially as some of those would. So that's why I chose this blade design, because it's a little bit shorter, but it's still got a good point on it. And after that, we open it up, I'm going to squeeze the little wool worm out. We're going to flush it out a little bit, and then we're going to go back and put some blue coat on it and say good luck kitty. But let's get on with it. And every day you see a man shaving pussy on YouTube. All right, kitty. Come on. All right, now we're gonna put the Dawn to it. There you go. Ooh, little kitty. Hey, kitty. There you go. You don't need that much camera time now. Alright, now it's cleaned up around the area. Come on. If you were sedated, this would be easier. This is cheaper. Put that little head there. It's cleaned up around where we're going to make a little incision at now. So now I'm going to wash my hands. Okay. Now for this next step here, I'm just going to dip that blade in some alcohol, give it a wipe, get some of the gunk off of it. That way this flame will do a better job. Do that. And we're just going to burn that off. Here, kitty. Come on, kitty. Alright, that's going to involve some cooperation. So we can get you up here. There you go. It's just another day getting petted. It's okay, kitty. Hey, Kyle. Shh. We're busy, babe. We got to take care of the cat, okay? There we go. Doing good, kitty cat.
He's got a boo-boo.
You know, the more I'm looking at this, the more I'm thinking that's not a wool worm. Doing good job, kitty. Good job. This thing is just purring, y'all. I can't believe in this. You're doing a good job, kitty. You're doing a good job. Good, kitty, kitty, kitty. Helps to talk to them, helps calm them down, and use a calm voice. Okay, kitty. I know it's hard to see what I'm doing. I'm just barely hugging the skin. Going under it. Working my ways around. Lets me just get in there and see what I'm fully dealing with. It's okay, kitty. And the more I'm looking at, the more it's looking just like some infection. I ain't even seeing no little fly. That don't grab worth a dang. And I wonder, the harder you mash it, the more it opens up. That ain't gonna work. Okay. Good.
Coco, you know how to get out, baby. Climb out the side.
Okay. So, I'm not so certain we're dealing with a bot fly here. I think it's literally just some random infection.
You want to do peroxide then? Want to do peroxide? Climb out the side. Coco.
Okay, kitty. Okay, this has turned into a little bit more of an ordeal, but either hopefully that'll drain a little bit better. Hopefully it gets all healed up. I thought it was a bot fly, and if it is, he is extremely well hidden in there somewhere. I don't know, but I don't think it's what's going on. I think it's just some random infection. Now where it got it from, I don't know, but either way, hopefully it'll just shim it on out of there now. Because that's what's in there, just a tight spot of infection. We've got rid of some of it, not a whole lot.
That smell.
Yep. Don't smell too good. It is rotten in flesh. But either way. Okay, now here comes the least favorite part for the cat. That's one of them deals you... Alright, kitty.
She did really well with it.
Well, it ain't like it used to be. There you go, kitty. Alrighty. Good job. Yeah, that wasn't the way it was supposed to go, but it's just got some random infection. If it is got one hit in there, he ain't very big. But we're just going to keep it open like that, keep draining it out, keep putting some blue coat to it. So I was hoping just make a little slit, do a little squeezing, and then here comes a bot fly, but that ain't the way it worked, obviously, this time. So we'll just keep y'all updated, I guess. I hope. Sorry, it's kind of a disappointment, kind of a success, but either way, come on. I know what cat's doing in the corner. Come up here, come on. You can trust me. There you go. Holy crap, it ain't gonna work, is it? Here, kitty. Oh, there you are. Hey. All right, as y'all can see, he made it. It's like 2 or 3 weeks later, and that's already healing up. We just went in there and squished it out every day or so and put some more blue coat on it, but he survived, so we can put it on YouTube now, as y'all know. But he's just purring away. He's doing just fine. Y'all been seeing him in my videos. He's still been annoying. Y'all didn't even know nothing was wrong with him, but he's doing just fine. So anyways, there y'all go.